Hey, welcome back, everyone. Notice those temperatures? Not too bad. A little warm? Sure. We can deal with that, though. 92? Not that bad at all. But it feels a touch cooler, mainly because it's very dry. It's windy. Yep. Single-digit humidity. West wind sustained 30 miles an hour. You can see our downtown Odessa camera shaking like a leaf. Here are those wind gusts all the way up to about 44 in Odessa, 46 in Midland, 40 in Dryden. It's enough for certainly some localized blowing dust. Now, you probably notice that driving around out there today, or even just like, hey, you gotta like use two hands on the wheel, kind of hold on a little bit tighter. Yeah, we got those high wind warnings extending out to Carlsbad all the way down to Alpine. And we got wind advisories extending as far east as Howard County now too, including Big Spring, Midland, Odessa, you name it. Strong winds keeping us pretty dry, but also increasing our fire risk. Yeah, we are back with red flag warnings for the rest of this evening. This will likely expire once we start to see the winds calm down or we get a little bit of rain. Yeah, I was kidding about the rain part. We're not going to see any of that. Look at radar. As dry as could be. Well, I am looking at a little bit of shower activity popping up in central Texas, but more so towards central Oklahoma. Tornado outbreak today. Yeah, not the best. Overnight for us though, this looks rather cool. It's a cold front. Yep. We got a cold front coming through. It should drop us down to actually below average conditions. Typically our lows are around 62, 63 degrees. I'll take 50s. Yeah. Guadalupe Pass, 43. Gotta love those high elevations. Heading out the door, you will still have to deal with a bit of that strong wind. Most of it is going to be calming down by around midnight, but those occasional gusts, they're still going to last. But when the winds come from the north, you get it. Cooler temperatures. 87. The fact that 87 is cool now shows you just how rapidly we jumped right into our summer weather pattern. So here is that summer weather pattern. Yeah, you can actually see that front, right? That line there where the wind's no longer coming in from the west. They're coming in from the north. Around 11 o'clock, right along the I-20 corridor, pushes through. You get that nice breeze coming in from the north, from the northwest. It's still going to be very, very dry air. So rain chances are going to be, well, just non-existent. But some of the models are trying to tell me, hey, you might see some rain about a week out from now. Here's your 6 to 10 days. Do I think that that's going to be the case? I wish it was, but I am not holding my breath. Yes, temperatures do begin to fall by next week. There could be some slight rain potential. It's all going to depend on this front. But until then, woo, we're going back into the triple digits, Jolena.
Well, as long as you're saying there is a chance for rain, that's always a good thing. Coming up next, an unusual